everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use improved dictation in iOS 18. So just tap on my iPhone settings and I will just go in my journal and make sure your software has been updated on iOS 18. So my iOS version is updated to 18.1.1, and make sure you can also check your software update, and if update is on, so you can just install it immediately for latest version of new. But right now iOS 18 is up to date. And get to the point, I will just go back again, and the point is to how to improve dictation. So I just tab on my journals and scroll down to find keyboard section. After inside, you can scroll down and make sure your enable dictation is turn it on. And if you just tab on this about detection privacy, just tab on it. So here you will see you can improve Siri detection. So I will just tab on it. So it will be get on the apple.com, and it will tell us that they improve the Siri on their iOS device. And here you will see, so from here you can just choose your preferred language. So improve Siri and dictation privacy. So improve Siri and dictation allows Apple to store and have employees review a sample of audio interactions with Siri and dictation in order to help Apple development and improve Siri dictation, and limited other languages processing features like translate or voice control. So make sure your software has been updated and Siri will be improved. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.